Okay, I'm going to try and summarize my blog I did this week. How's it going, guys? So as you can see, code.org, fantastic. We've got all the students able to access it. So at the start, even if you've never done programming before, you'll be able to do this. You know, the students can just relate to the words. Move forward, run, move forward. Perfect. And then as you go step by step, get to start getting a bit harder. Start getting into, the realm of abstraction and decomposition, all these fancy terms. So this is what we'd start with if we saw the standard setting for this level. This is what it would look like. So using the things we've learned so far in the previous steps, like drawing a few squares, you can use decomposition to do this harder one. I mean, there's a lot of information going on here, so if we use some abstraction, we can figure out actually how many squares we need to write. So, because we count all these lines, we're going to get confused. We don't want to draw the lines out like this. If we just remove the unnecessary information and get what we need, which is actually just 10 squares, because look, these are all just squares. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares. Okay. So, let's see what happens when we do this. Say we're a novice. Let's see what happens when we do it. Oh, she ran off the screen. We actually need to get her to turn then, don't we, if she's going off the screen. Alright, we got a square. Beautiful. Step by step. Decomposition is what we're doing right now. But how do we get her to do it 10 times and turn a little bit each time? Well, we have a little bit of information, a bit of help from the guys at code.org. So repeat 4 times. That's a square. It's just computer language for draw a square. And then afterwards, we just need to turn a little bit to start drawing the next square. And they've told us how much. It's 36 degrees. Now let's see. So she's facing that way. Oh, she turned a little. Beautiful. Decomposition, step by step. Making big problems into little ones and defeating them. So we found out already how many squares we need to draw, and it's 10, right? So this is a square and turn. Computer language for square and a turn. But we need to do that 10 times. So repeat a square 10 times. And there you go. Code.org has officially managed to teach us some higher order thinking, strategies, and putting it in action. Thanks, guys. Very, very good.